Hey everyone, Mr. Landry here. Real quickly, so this is Flowlab, and here's my game screen there. And of course, I'm play testing just a really simple little game. It's a basic platformer, and there we are. So to share your game with me on Schoology, you simply play your game, and then up here on the top right, click on My Games, and this will get you back to this dashboard screen. You do get 3 games with your free account. We can't export to one of these other platforms because you have to pay for that, but the free option is right here, copy share URL. So once you've copied that, then you can go ahead and go to Schoology. That was a door. You go to Schoology, and here is the assignment right here that says Flowlab Game Shares. And you can just go ahead and submit it there and paste it right in there, and I will get it. You can also email that to somebody, and you can even open it up and paste it into a web browser window, and it'll play with anybody. And there you go. So I hope this helps you out, and I look forward to seeing what you create. Thank you, and I'll hopefully see you soon.